In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a reminder in Splitwise. If you use Splitwise to track shared expenses with friends, roommates, or family, it's really helpful to know how to gently remind someone when they still owe you money. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to tap, and I'll also point out an important limitation between the website and the mobile app so you know what to expect. First, open Splitwise and go to the area where your shared expenses are listed. This will usually be under your groups or your friends section. Think of this as the home base where all your balances live. If you're using the app, you'll see tabs or icons labeled something like groups or friends. Choose the one that makes sense for the situation. For example, if this is a shared apartment or trip, you'll probably find it under a specific group. If it's just between you and one other person, it might be under friends. Once you're looking at the correct group or friend list, find the person who currently owes you money. The app typically shows each person with a small summary of how much they owe or are owed. Tap on that person's name to open the detailed view of your balance with them. This screen shows exactly who owes what, and it's also where you'll find the reminder option. On the mobile app, look for the option that says Send a Balance Reminder. This is usually near the area that shows the total amount they owe you. Tap that option to begin sending a reminder. Splitwise will create a polite message for you, often including the amount owed and a short note. Depending on your setup and their contact information, the reminder may be sent as a notification, an email, or another method supported by Splitwise. One very important thing to know is that this Send a Balance Reminder feature is currently not available on the Splitwise website. That means if you're using Splitwise in a web browser on your computer, you won't see this option. To send a reminder, you'll need to switch to the Splitwise mobile app on your phone or tablet and follow the same steps there. Open your group or friends list, select the person who owes you, and then tap Send a Balance Reminder. And that's it. By following these steps in the app, you can nudge someone about an outstanding balance in a clear, polite, and organized way, all without leaving Splitwise.